Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Savana if it's not syncing in 2026. Whether your data isn't updating across devices or recent changes aren't appearing, these simple troubleshooting steps usually solve the problem. So let's get started. First, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Yeah, syncing won't work properly if your connection is slow or interrupted. Next, confirm that you're signed in to the same Savana account on every device. Using different accounts is one of the most common reasons data doesn't sync correctly. Now, open the **settings* or sync section and make sure cloud synchronization is enabled. If there's a **sync now** or refresh ** option, tap it to manually start the sync process. After that, close and reopen the app or restart your device. If the issue continues, update the app to the latest version to make sure you're using the newest bug fixes and improvements. Finally, if your data still isn't syncing, sign out of your account and sign back in. If the problem remains, contact Savana support and provide details about your device, app version, and the syncing issue. And that's it. You've learned the most common ways to fix Savana syncing problems. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.